And first at 6, the mother of a St. Johns County teen convicted of fatally stabbing his middle school classmate is in custody tonight in the St. Johns County Jail. Thank you for joining us. I'm Anthony Austin.
I'm Heather Crawford. We're glad you're with us for First Coast News at 6. Crystal Smith pleaded no contest for tampering with evidence in the murder case, and she was sentenced to 30 days in jail plus 5 years probation.
Taylor Levesque is on your side tonight. She was inside the courtroom. And Taylor, I know this was an emotional moment in this high-profile murder case.
It was, and Crystal Smith didn't show any reaction when her sentence was read, which was negotiated before today's hearing, but she did break down in tears crying as Tristan Bailey's mother got up to address her. Tristan Bailey's mother, Stacy Bailey, faced the mother of her daughter's killer in court Friday afternoon. She talked about Crystal Smith's effort to cover up her son's crime and the pain her family has endured. Prosecutors say Smith can be seen on home surveillance footage washing Aiden Fucci's bloody jeans in the bathroom sink and later coaching him to say that he was wearing a different pair of pants the night of the murder. Fucci, who pleaded guilty to first-degree murder in February, is currently serving a life sentence.
I have tried to put myself in your shoes on that fateful day, 1,000 times, but I can't. I can never get there. Because you see, I could never put someone else's child in harm's way for my own, no matter the consequences.
No one, with the exception of one person, knew what had happened to Tristan. Certainly Miss Smith did not know what had occurred. She was a frantic mother trying to determine what was going on with her son. Only later was she made aware of the horrible crime that had been committed. She apologizes for any additional suffering her conduct caused the Bailey family.
Smith's attorney, Matthew Katurgis, spoke on her behalf, saying she hopes her plea can help everyone begin to heal from the tragedy. Smith was taken from the court in handcuffs and will spend the next 29 days in the St. Johns County Jail. She can apply for early termination of her probation in 3 years. Live in St. Johns County, Taylor Levesque, First Coast News, on your side.
Thank you, Taylor, and our coverage of this case continues online. To hear the full victim impact statement from Tristan's mother, search for this story on firstcoastnews.com and the First Coast News app.